everybody, welcome to Cammy's Garage. A good friend of mine opened a new business in town called Twin Rabbit Artist Collective. It's a new gallery space and the opening is next week. And I pretty much volunteered to make her a sculpture based on the theme Twin Rabbit. So I did a few sketches and downloaded some photos from the internet. And we're going to try to carve a couple of rabbits today. I have a few pieces of red oak that I was going to use as firewood, but I decided I can probably use this for this project. What is this useless junk? Who in their right mind would do segmented stuff? So if you're trying something like this, don't be afraid to draw right on the wood. Get photos for reference. You don't have to copy things exactly. Make sure it has a good silhouette. I think that has a good silhouette. Let's try that. Graff tool sent me this Speedcutter several months ago, and I've used it on a few projects. I love it. It's great for roughing. Although I'm going to see if I can do this entire carving with just this. I was hoping I could leave it attached to this piece, but I can't get in here. So I think I'm gonna have to... So my friend said it was okay if it was just an abstraction. I think that's as far as I'm going to go on this one.